Are you locked out of your Apple ID? Did you forget your password? Don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, I'll show you 2 easy ways to find your Apple ID password and a final option for when you can't find it anywhere else. The first place to look is the New Passwords app. On your iPhone, swipe all the way over to the app library. In the search bar, type in passwords. Tap on it to open it. Once inside, you'll see a list of your saved passwords. In the search bar at the top, type Apple. And you'll see your Apple ID entry. Tap on it to reveal your email and password. Method number 2 is the Google's Password Manager. If you can't find your password in the Passwords app, don't give up. Many of us use Google Chrome to save our passwords. Here's how to check if your Apple ID password is saved there. Open your web browser and go to google.com. In the top right corner, tap on your profile picture. And now tap Manage Your Account. Next, tap on Security. And then scroll down to find the Password Manager. Tap on Manage Passwords. If your Apple ID password was saved to your Google account, it will show up here. Just tap on it to view your credentials. Still can't find it? Reset your password. If neither of these methods work, the last option is to reset your password. The good news is you don't even need to know your old password to do this. Go to account.apple.com in your browser. Tap on the drop-down arrow in the top right corner and select Sign In. You can often sign in with Face ID or Touch ID without needing the new password. Once you're signed in, you go to the password section and create a new secure password. Are you receiving a message saying syncing with messages is paused? Check out this video to learn how to fix it.